Hi, this is Annette from needlepointers.com, and I thought that I would just show you some of the fruits that I am growing in my yard. I live in a small town and I only have less than a quarter of an acre, but even with this small acreage you can grow lots of fruits for yourself to eat. Let's start in my front yard. This is a dwarf Bartlett pear tree. It's in bloom now and I should have pears later on this season. Over here I have a Gala apple tree which is in bloom and is beautiful. Let me get a little closer so you can see it. Behind the tree and under the window I have blueberry bushes. Now let's venture into the backyard. This plant is a sweet mountain, sweet berry honeysuckle. It has berries that look something like blueberries. More fruits are strawberries. These I have to cover because the squirrels like to eat the flowers. A blackberry bush, which I'd like to plant a few more. Some more blueberry bushes. And a cherry bush. Even if you have a small yard, you can have fresh fruit garden to table throughout the season. My theory is that if I have to plant something, why not plant something that you can eat? For instance, if you have a hedge, why not plant blueberry bushes or cherry bushes for your hedge? If you have to plant a tree, why not a fruit tree? They are very decorative in the spring. The next fruit that I would like to plant will be a grapevine. That way I will have fresh grapes to eat, and also I can make grape juice. I hope that you enjoyed this video seeing the fruit that I grow in my garden. Please like, share, and comment. Also subscribe to our channel because we publish new videos regularly. Visit our website, needlepointers.com, for more gardening information and also lots of craft and hobby information.